So, hey guys, welcome back for a quick update video on the P-Brain project, our little voice assistant, DIY style. So, in the last video I mentioned that this could not be run on a Raspberry Pi and it could not be run headlessly, i.e. without a client or without a UI, due to it being tied into Google Chrome's speech recognition API. So, after a little bit of research and a little bit of work, I found a nice set of alternatives to the speech API that was used in Chrome, and those two are Wit.ai for speech recognition and Snowboy for hot word detection. So I built a client that will allow you to run this on the Raspberry Pi, assuming you have the server started, and that will be pushed up to the Raspberry Pi repository on our GitHub page. Either tonight when this video has gone live or tomorrow morning. Either way, I'll post a link to that in the description down below. So to start our new client, you just simply run node client.js. From there, it's a simple case of saying the keyword and then saying your query. Hey brain, what time is it?
It is 6:11 p.m.
And there you have it. It's pretty good at detecting queries now. I don't have to ask for it twice, which is fantastic. There's also a lot less latency between asking for a query and getting a response. So we will ask for the weather, for example. Hey brain, what's the weather?
It is currently 1 degree with clouds.
There you go. So nice and quick, nice and accurate. We can also ask for it in a certain place. Let's do that. Hey brain, what's the weather in Paris?
It is currently 0 degrees and clear in Paris.
There you have it. So that's working nicely as well. So let's go for a fact and see how well that fares with a new client. Hey brain, when did Steve Jobs die?
Steve Jobs, date of death, October 5th, 2011.
Okay, so as you can see, all of that is working perfectly. It's still running off that same internal MacBook microphone that I told you about in the previous video, but we seem to be getting much better results. So if you're running this on a Raspberry Pi with an external USB microphone, you're going to get even better results than this. Now there might be additional changes to be made to this client to maybe increase the quality of the speech going in that's being passed to the Wit.ai API, which should yield better results again. So I'll round this video out with a joke from our fantastically unfunny joke skill, and let's see how that fares. Hey brain, tell me a joke.
Chuck Norris throws massive Roman orgies for Lent.
Where do they get this? I don't understand that API at all. Chuck Norris jokes generally are pretty innocuous. These just seem to be vaguely offensive. Anyway, I apologize for that again. But as you can see, all that's working. Tune in tomorrow for a full video where I'll be running through the code portions of how the context is done, how skills work with those contextual breakdowns, how the server plays with the client. I'll be keeping it still pretty high level, but anyone who's trying to get into this should be able to get a quick briefing on how this works and then how to go about modifying it to their own needs. So as ever, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs it down. And until tomorrow, have a good one.